Hello dear students, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, today we are going to learn a grammar part, that is determiners. Already we have learned this, but in today's class we are going to take a revision. Okay, so first we have to see that what is determiner, just to recall what we learned in previous classes. Okay, even what is determiner, even what are the types of determiners. Let's see here. So here determiners. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Understood? The determiners are those words which placed in front of the noun. Or why? To make a noun or to make a clear what the noun refers to. Okay, what that noun particular it was, what it was referring. For showing that we are using determiners. Okay. So here determiner have different types. So types of determiners. Let's see. So here there are these determiner are classified into 8 types. Okay, 8 classes. Okay, first one is article, that should be a definite and indefinite. Second one demonstrative, then quantifier, then possessives, even numbers, that number should be cardinal or ordinal, even distributive or indefinite pronouns, or even question words or relative pronoun. So for our syllabus there should be only article, demonstrative, quantifier, possessive and number is there. Okay, let's see one by one. So first one is article. Article, okay. The 3 articles are there, a, an and the, are a kind of the adjective. This is called the definite article because see the is called definite article. Why? Because it is usually precedes a specific or previously mentioned noun. So the article is definite article. It is required when the noun it refers to the represents something that is one of a kind, means unique things are there, that time we are using the article. It is called as a definite article. So here example is there, the moon circles the earth. Okay, let's see. Even we use the when we already mentioned the things we are talking about. Already suppose we mentioned something and we are talking about it, so for that also we are using the article. She has got 2 children, a girl and a baby. The girl's 8 and the boy is 18. So here previously we mentioned in this sentence a girl, a boy. Then again if we want to use the same girl and boy, so we are using the. So we use it to talk about geographical points on the globe. Okay, so even we want to say this geographical points, we have to be use the north pole, the equator. Okay, even to talk about rivers, ocean and seas. Okay, we are using the article, the Nile, the Pacific. Okay, even before contain nouns we and when we know there is one of a particular thing, that time also we are using the, like see the sun, the rain and the wind. Even the is also used to say that a particular thing or a person being mentioned is the best, most famous, etc. Like seer, Amar's house is the place to go. So here what is a particular thing is there. So Amar's house, that is a particular thing. So here they shown or they use the, so showing the place to go. Used to indicate a noun that is unique. So praise to the Lord, praise the Lord, or the Columbia River. Even used to refer to a time period. Even we want to show the time period, we are using the. I was very energetic in the past. So see, in the past, the is used here. Used to indicate all the members of a family. See here, for family also. I invited the Smiths for dinners. For family name, because particular family is there. So we are using the. Next, indefinite article. A and an are the indefinite article. They refers to something not specially known to the person we are communicating with. A and an are used before noun that introduce something or someone you have not mentioned before. So here example is here, I saw an elephant in the morning. I buy a pen from a shop. Now see here, an is used before the singular count noun beginning with the vowel. So which word is beginning with the vowel? Yes, or vowel sound. For that we are using an, like an apple, an honest man, an issue. And a is used before the singular count nouns which beginning with the consonant sound, like see, a, e, I, o, u. These are vowel, and other than this is are called as consonant, like a cup, a book, a pencil, a ball, or a letter. Even indefinite article an used before the singular nouns that are unsatisfied, like see, unspecified, like a pencil, an orange. These used before number or collective numbers, like a dozen, a gallon. Okay, see here. Even used before a singular noun followed by a destructive modifier. Okay, like a girl who was wearing a yellow hat. Yes, so here we want to describe this, so we are using this a. Used with nouns to form adverbial phrases of the quantity, amount, or degree, like I felt a bit depressed. Okay, even here what they told, we don't use a or an with uncountable nouns like milk, water, sugar. These are uncountable things. We are not using a or an. Now second type, that is possessive determiner. So possessive, so in these words like my, are, yours, his, her, it, and there are known as possessive determiners. They come before noun and indicate ownership of the noun in question, as their name suggests. Like here, possessive means ownership. These are showing ownership. See, my leg hurts. Moise sold his house. Bring your books with you. These are our pencils. She took her cake. So these are showing ownership. So these are called as possessive determiner. These words my, his, yours, ours, and her. Next one type is there, demonstrative. Demonstrative is a use. These are determiners used to pointing out any object. Okay, like see, this, that, those, these show that where an object or person is in relation to the speaker, where it is showing the position. Okay, this singular and these for plural. These are refers to an object or a person near the speakers, and that is singular, and even those, that is for plural. So that object which or person that are far from the speaker. Okay, means which things are near, we are using for that these or these, and which things are far, so we are using that and those. So here physical closeness or distance, as in see again here, who owns that house? Is this Tahsin's house? Is this Tasfin's house? This is also close because this we use. Here distance was there, so who owns that house? So that we use because distance was there, and this here suppose some close thing is there, so we are using for that this. Or it can be a psychological distance, like see, that's nothing to do with me. This is a nice surprise. The position of the demonstrative, which are the position before the noun, before the word one, or before then adjective plus noun. So now quantifier. Quantifier is a word, okay, with phrases which indicates the number or amount being referred to it, or it generally comes before noun or noun phrase. So quantifier means for showing the quantity, indicating number or amount, we are referring this. So these words will come there. See, some, many, a lot, of, a few are the example of quantifier. And quantifier can be used with the both countable and uncountable noun. So there are here examples. There are some books on the desk. He has got only a few books. How much money have you got? So these are words are called as quantifier. So here again few words are there. See, with the uncountable noun, which words we are using? much, a little, or a bit, or a great deal of, a large amount of, or a large quantity of. These all are we are using with the uncountable noun, like milk, sugar. These are uncountable things. Water. So for that we are using, yes, what? See these words: much, a little, a bit, a great deal of, a large amount of, or larger quantity of. Here many. See, with the countable noun we are using many, a few, a number of, or several. See, a majority of, a great number of, or a large number of. So this is words are using with this countable noun. And here which are both means countable and uncountable nouns are there. For that we are using these words: all, enough, more, less, no, not any, some, any, lot of, or penalty of. For that also we are using these words. Got it? So this is quantifier, yes, determiners. So here these all we explained. Once again we took the revision. Hope you all understood. What you have to do, only write down two examples of the each determiners. Okay, article, then demonstrative, then possessive, and the quantifier. For that we have to, or you have to write two sentences. Okay, and you have to send to through WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.